You ready now?
Hey, we're at a house here in Plano, and Tristan is measuring for a barn door. The customer has the 2 doors that goes into his bathroom. He wants to put a barn door, so we're going to show you what he's doing. Tristan, show him what you're doing.
What do you want me to show them? As if like they're gonna send me the measurements?
No, just like if they were going to put in a barn door, just us taking measurements.
Okay, so
Install 101.
you don't measure the inside of the door. If you have trim, you always measure from the outside of the trim to the outside of the trim. So this door is 36 3/4. So what we do after that, I go over 1 inch on one side, and then 1 inch on this side. So now we're at 37 5/8. So we're gonna be 38 5/8. But it's a barn door. I have wiggle room, so I'm just gonna make this door 39.
39
that way
wide.
It covers ½ an inch on both sides, and you don't see any of your trim.
Okay, and these doors will come off, and you'll take this stuff off, right?
Do what?
When we put the new barn door in, we're going to take this off
Yeah,
and take the hardware off.
We're gonna take the doors off and the hinges off.
Yeah.
Because if you don't, it's gonna rub. Right now, I'm just putting these measurements into my notes because I'm not that smart and can't remember that.
And the customer wants a weathered gray, which I think is going to be really pretty.
Yeah, it's one of my favorite colors. And then same thing on the floor. And the floor to the top. So we're at 83. So you're gonna do the same thing you did on the sides. You're gonna add an inch. So I'm gonna make this door 84 tall.
84. Okay. And he just wants 1 door, right? Not 2 doors.
It wouldn't make sense.
Yeah, because
to
it's
make
so
2
small.
doors right here, just because it's not that big. 1 and 2, it's more expensive to get 2 doors.
Yeah.
So if you're thinking cost-wise, if it's 45 or smaller, I wouldn't suggest going with a double door.
Okay.
And that made me forget my measurement.
Hey, we have it on video. We can always go back. Haha.
84. And then another important thing to do while you're measuring for your barn door is make sure you have enough side on whatever side you plan to
Slide it open.
that you have enough room. So what did I say I was going to do?
39.
So we're going to do 39, right?
And you got to make sure you have 39 over there.
Yep. Because this is the biggest wall space.
Yeah, because this one's just like right there. And then that
I'll
one's
put 39 right at the end of my molding. And as you can see, I've got plenty of space.
Okay, so for the header that goes up above, we would take 39 plus 39 and add that together to get the header, which will be 78.
Oh, to get the length of the header? For
Yeah.
the length of your hardware?
Yeah.
Well, the hardware, you don't like, with the hardware packages that come in set, it's like 6 foot, 6.5 foot, 7 foot, 7.5 foot, 8 foot. They don't come in like exact measurements. So what you do with your hardware, yeah, you just double it. So I said 39, so basically 40, so we need 80-inch hardware.
Okay.
Anywhere as close to 80 inches as you can get.
Okay.
And
All right,
that's how
sounds
you
great.
measure.
Thank you.